What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Enigma Garage. We are going to follow Red's projects and Paul Glass. We're going to put some belts on and some gaskets on, see if we can get this thing closer to getting started up. Let's go. I've already removed most of everything up here. We are going to take the water pump off, put some gaskets on it, torque it up to spec, have a few things that we got in over here. I did end up chopping this already. It's a little bit more compact and resistant to crushing. I actually got it tightened down all the way and it's not going anywhere. So, MAF, ready to go. Here's the new pulley right here. We took the regular one off. This is the part number if anybody's interested. So you're going to retain your old washer and bolt. We're going to add one washer just like this. And then this one right here, I actually drilled out the center so it would fit over the shaft right here. That has to go over this. If you don't do that, it's going to rub and hit down here. So I had to do that. That'll go on there. And we will take this and this, and we will put it on here. So there's that washer right here. This will just go over that. There's my other washer there. And we'll tighten that up all of the way. And there she is. See how close that is to that bracket? That's why you need that washer there. So that seems to line up just fine with everything else, so that worked. Thanks, dude. Let's, I can't put the belt on yet. Let's put the gaskets on the water pump. Just a reminder, don't forget to clean the mating surfaces. I forgot. I never did it over here. So I'm gonna have to clean all of that off. And I even noticed I didn't even have that bolt in all the way. Make sure everything's torqued down. Clean all your gasket mounting areas. We're gonna get it back on. Oh yeah. Here is the gasket part number if anybody needs it. Do not judge me. You're not really supposed to use those, but I did. I don't care. That's smooth. I have to do the other side. The battery died. And over here, one side is done, but that's why I like using these. So they're a little bit thicker on the gasket side. And once it's smushed flat, it's not going to have any leaks. That's why I love these gaskets. That was way too much work. Couldn't even get it perfect. Do that before you assemble the motor. Don't be like me. But she's ready. Let's put it in. There we go. Gaskets are on. Threads barely started. Get this torqued up. Fun fact when installing the water pump. Can't have this pulley on right here. It blocks that bolt. You're going to torque it down to 22 foot-pounds. Now we're going to go for the belts. We have the smaller one I'm going to put on first because I do not want to take it back off to put that belt on. So we're just going to wrap that around, leave it there. And we're going to take this one. I hope she fits. And we are going to go around here this way. Go up here. Make sure this is around all the pulleys. So all I have to do is pull it down here. Don't let it go over that bolt. Yep. So we will take this, push it down, just like so. Make sure it's lined up everywhere. There she is. That's the correct size. And now we'll take this off. So we have, actually that could probably be just a little bit smaller of a belt to put it back here for the reset. Right now it only has a 1/4 inch of extension. So I'll get one just one size smaller, but everything looks like it's gonna be working fine. Sweet. Now I'm waiting on Steven to ship out the sway bar extensions, the AC compressor bracket, and the steering extension. So we can get more of this wrapped up. Then we have the new modified 90. We'll get that put on. And that is going to work out pretty well. Plenty of clearance everywhere. Sweet. And then I can still get my harness to reach. It's not too far. And I can pull my blow-off valve right here still and go right off of the vacuum port right there. Everything's coming to plan. So thanks to the people I shouted out in the beginning of the video, it worked out perfectly. Well, don't know about the smaller belt yet. We shall see with that one. Just waiting for those parts to come in.
Yeah.
Catch y'all later.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.